Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to connect Instagram to Facebook page. So in order for you to connect your Instagram to your Facebook page, you have to make sure that you're using the business type or the professional type of your Instagram. So for example, this one, I'm currently using the professional account right here. If you are not using the business or professional account, go to your settings, tap on business controls and tools, and then here you have to switch type from personal to business or professional. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to switch to personal account first, and I'm going to show you how are you going to connect your FB page or Facebook page using the business account. So here I'm currently using the personal account. Tap on this three lines at the top right corner. Now again, you have to scroll down and you have to look for account types and tools. So you have to click that one and you need to switch from your personal account to professional or business account. So tap on professional account, tap this one right here, wait for a couple of seconds, and then you need to read the following. Once done, tap on next. So what describes you? Select from any of the category here. So just click or tap, and then you can now proceed. Wait again for a couple of seconds. And then here, what you're going to do is select what type of professional are you. So let's just say business. Click this one. Wait for a couple of seconds. And then here you can add your information such as your contact number, your address, your email, but you can also add this one later. Okay, so once done, then you can now proceed. And then this time you need to set up your profile, but you can also do that one later. So as you can see, it automatically suggests to connect your Instagram to your Facebook page. And all you have to do is to tap on login. It will show you your Facebook account if it's also currently logged into the same device. And all you have to do is to approve or confirm. So review Facebook account, then continue, tap on continue here. Wait for a couple of seconds again. And then what you're going to do next is you have to simply connect your Facebook account. So wait as it is connecting, but basically that's how easy it is to connect your Instagram to your Facebook page. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.